The price of Bitcoin is currently dumping towards the downside, exactly as I told you all in my previous videos, the important resistance zone. But is it the right time to go short or long? Because I don't think this huge dump will continue in the price of Bitcoin, and why, I will discuss each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, I made a video somewhat over here discussing that there are chances that this week and the previous week also included, we can see a huge dump towards the downside in the price of Bitcoin, and the same thing happened. I hope you all remembered, I made a short video that from the starting of the previous week and this week we will see a huge dump towards the downside, and it is a decent dump from $70,000 all the way down till $64,000. so my prediction was right. However, I don't think the price of Bitcoin can go all the way down till here until and unless it breaks this support level at $65,000. If it breaks this, then it can easily go all the way down here at $59,000 approx, because this is a very important purple support zone for the price of Bitcoin, and I hope you already know the history. Currently the price of Bitcoin is in a sideways channel, making a support from here, then again going towards the upside, again making a support and going towards the upside. So let's see what happens. This is a crucial support right now. If it breaks this zone towards the downside, then it can easily go till $58,000, and this purple zone right here is ranging from $65,000 to $68,000 approx. Also, why I am saying that the price of Bitcoin is hardly possible to go more towards the downside is because of Ethereum, and I hope you all know that price of Bitcoin and Ethereum moves side by side, and you can clearly see currently the price of Ethereum is making an important support at this white zone right here. If you are watching my videos from last few months and weeks, then you already know this white zone is a very important support and resistance zone, $3,350 to $3,500. Currently the price of Ethereum is making a support over here, but if it breaks this support towards the downside, again this is the only concern, if it does break it, then the price of Ethereum can easily go all the way down till here at $2,700 till between $2,500, because this is a very important support zone right here. And if you look at the past history, when the price of Ethereum got rejected from here, it came down till here at this white support zone, and then it did a breakdown towards the downside with a proper retest, and then you can clearly see it approximately touched near my support zone only, and then it got a reversal again towards the upside. So let's see what happens. Currently the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum are still in a sideways channel only. This is not the right time to trade. I will wait for a breakdown or a breakout, and as I said, I will wait for a breakdown of my support zone in the Bitcoin and Ethereum both to go short, or let's see, maybe this is a fake out and the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum can reverse towards the upside from here. I did two videos, one was a short video and a long video, that the price of Dogecoin is currently at a very important support right here, and if the price of Dogecoin comes at this level, which is in fact it is exactly at right now this level only, so I am deciding to go long over here. So let me just place my long order right here. I am going long, but it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum only. If Bitcoin and Ethereum pumps towards the upside, then definitely they all can pump too. My stop loss is right over here, and my take profit is somewhat over here at 1:2 risk to reward trade, and there are chances that this trade can occur in a loss because it is a very high risky trade. But let's see what happens. And yeah, I am on my words and I am following my words only. I am going long exactly at the support level at 0.12228. Quick trade update on Stellar XLM. I hope you all remember we took plethora of trades here, and most of them end up in profits only. Currently the price of XLM is near my order block zone. If you don't know, order block is a SMC, smart money concept, and this type of zone is a very important zone for buyers and sellers. Usually the price whenever comes near an order block, it sees a huge pump or a dump towards the upside or downside. Basically it's a very high volatile zone, currently at 0.0888 and 0.096. Price of Stellar is continuously dumping towards the downside for past couple of weeks, and yeah, let's see what happens. Currently I'm deciding to go long over on Stellar because obviously sellers are exhausted. There is a huge downwards momentum already. There are chances that the price of Stellar can again see a bullishness from here. Again, I'll repeat that it all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum only. So let's see what happens. But I am going long on Stellar as well. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope you all now know what to do and what to expect in the next coming weeks for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and my currently trade update on Dogecoin and Stellar also. So let's see how it goes. I'm following proper risk and money management, so even if they end up in a losing situation, it's okay, I'll recover them, not a big issue. Let's see what happens. It all depends on Bitcoin or Ethereum only. They are currently at an important crucial support, and if the price of Bitcoin or it may be Ethereum breaks it towards the downside, then it can again continue towards $57,000 for Bitcoin. And so yeah, let's keep an eye on the charts as well. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Stellar or any other crypto, or you just want to buy, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can get up to $30,000 gift for free. Create an account now, and yeah, do follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates. Link is in the description again and in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.